Part 5, Advanced SVG Animations with CSS and SVG. Transform, Stroke, Fill and Micro-Interactions. In this part, you will learn how to create professional-level SVG animations used in landing pages, dashboards, loaders, and portfolio websites. We will animate rotation, scaling, stroke motion, fill effects, and interactive hover animations using pure CSS and SVG. 1. Why Advanced SVG Animation Matters. Basic SVG drawing looks nice, but real UI design needs motion. Motion tells users where to look, what is clickable, what is loading, what is important. Advanced SVG animation makes your designs feel alive and premium. 2. SVG Transform Animations. SVG elements can be animated using transform. Example, rotating SVG icon. Let's understand this simple SVG spinner step by step. First, we create an SVG container using the SVG tag. It has a width and height of 120 pixels, and a viewbox of 00, 100, 100. The viewbox acts like a coordinate system that allows the SVG to scale properly on any screen. Inside the SVG, we draw a circle using the circled element. The CX equals 50 and psi equals 50 place the center of the circle exactly in the middle of the SVG canvas. The R equals 40 means the radius of the circle is 40 units, so it fits nicely inside the box. The class name spinner is added so we can control the circle using CSS. With this class, we can animate the stroke, rotation, or color to create a smooth loading spinner effect. So this small SVG gives us a perfectly centered circular shape, ready to be animated into a beautiful loader. Now let's bring our SVG circle to life using CSS. We start by selecting the circle with the class.spinner. First, we set fill to none so the circle is hollow and only the outline is visible. Next, stroke is set to a green color, which defines the color of the circle's outline. The stroke width of 6 makes the line thick and clearly visible. The stroke dash array property breaks the circle's stroke into dash segments. By setting it to 250, we create a long dash that can be animated. The stroke dash offset of 200 shifts that dash along the path, making part of the circle invisible. This is what creates the illusion of a spinning arc instead of a full circle. Now the magic happens with the animation property. We apply the rotate animation, which runs for 2 seconds, moves in a linear motion, and repeats infinitely. The transform origin, 50% ensures that the rotation happens from the center of the circle, not from a corner. In the at keyframes rotate section, we rotate the circle from 0 degrees all the way to 360 degrees. As this animation keeps looping, the dashed stroke spins around smoothly, creating a modern loading spinner effect. This creates a smooth rotating loader, perfect for dashboards and apps. 3. Advanced stroke animations. You can animate stroke color, width, and motion. Pulsing stroke effect. Now we are making our SVG spinner even more dynamic by adding a second animation. In the .spinner class, we now apply 2 animations at the same time. The first one is rotate, which spins the circle continuously. The second one is pulse, which changes the thickness and color of the stroke. The rotate animation runs for 2 seconds in a smooth, linear motion and loops forever. The pulse animation runs for 1.5 seconds with an ease in-out effect, making the motion feel soft and natural. Let's understand the pulse keyframes. At 0%, the stroke width is 4, and the color is a green shade. At 50%, the stroke grows thicker to 8, and the color changes to blue. At 100%, it returns back to a width of 4 and the original green color. This means the spinner is not only rotating, but it is also breathing, getting thicker and thinner while smoothly shifting between two colors. By combining rotation with pulsing, we turn a simple loading circle into a modern, eye-catching animated loader perfect for websites, apps, and UI designs. This creates a breathing, alive effect. 4. Draw first, then fill. This effect is used in logo animations. SVG. Now let's create a simple SVG logo using text. We begin with the SVG element. It has a width of 200 pixels and a height of 100 pixels, and a viewbox of 0, 0, 200, 100, which sets up a clean coordinate system for our design. Inside the SVG, we use the text element to display words instead of shapes. The x equals 20 positions the text slightly away from the left edge, and y equals 70 places the text vertically near the bottom, so it sits naturally like a logo. The class name logo allows us to style or animate this text using CSS, just like we did with the spinner. The text itself reads ITMaster, which can now be animated, colored, or given stroke effects to create a professional logo. This technique is powerful because SVG text stays sharp at any size, making it perfect for modern logos, banners, and animated branding. Now we're going to animate the ITMaster logo so it looks like it's being drawn and then filled in. We start by styling the .logo text. The font size is set to 48 pixels, making the logo large and easy to read. The fill is set to transparent, so the text is invisible at first. Only the outline is visible because we use a stroke color of dark gray with a stroke width of 2. Next, we use stroke-array and stroke-offset, both set to 400. This hides the stroke by pushing it off the text path, preparing it for a drawing animation. Now look at the animation property. We apply two animations in sequence. The first one is draw, which runs for 3 seconds with a smooth easing effect. It reduces the stroke-offset from 400 to 0, making the outline of the letters appear as if they are being written. After that finishes, the fill animation starts. It runs for 1 second, but it is delayed by 3 seconds, so it waits for the drawing to finish first. The fill animation simply changes the text color from transparent to dark gray, making the logo fully solid. So the final result is a beautiful effect where the ITMaster text is first drawn with an outline, and then smoothly filled in, just like a professional logo reveal. The text is drawn first, then filled automatically. 5. SVG Hover Micro-Interactions. SVG can react when the user hovers. SVG button icon. Let's now look at this clean and simple SVG icon. We start with the SVG element. It has a width and height of 120 pixels, and a viewbox of 0, 0, 100, 100. This creates a flexible coordinate system that lets the SVG scale smoothly on any screen. The class name icon is added to the SVG so we can style or animate the entire icon using CSS. Inside the SVG, we draw a circle. The CX equals 50 and psi equals 50, place the center of the circle right in the middle of the canvas. The R equals 40 gives the circle a radius of 40 units, making it fit perfectly inside the SVG. This gives us a perfectly centered circular icon, which can now be styled with colors, strokes, or animations to create buttons, loaders, or interactive UI elements. Even with just one line of SVG, we already have a powerful, scalable vector graphic ready for modern web design. Now we'll add a smooth hover effect to our SVG icon. We begin by selecting the circle inside the SVG using .icon circle. First, fill is set to none, so only the outline of the circle is visible. The stroke color is set to a blue shade, giving the icon a clean modern look. The stroke width of 6 makes the outline bold and easy to see. Next, we add a transition. By using transition, all 0.4 SEs, any change in size, color, or shape will happen smoothly over 0.4 seconds instead of instantly. Now look at the hover state. When the user moves the mouse over the icon, the stroke color changes to a bright turquoise. At the same time, the circle is scaled up to 1.1, which makes it grow slightly. Because of the transition, this color change and zoom effect feels soft and professional, not sudden or sharp. This simple hover animation makes the SVG icon feel interactive and alive, perfect for modern buttons, menus, and user interfaces. Now let's animate a shape directly inside SVG without using any CSS or JavaScript. We start with an SVG container that is 200 pixels wide and 100 pixels tall. Inside it, we draw a small red circle. The CX equals 20 and psi equals 50. Place the circle near the left side, centered vertically. The R equals 10 gives it a small radius, and fill equals red makes it clearly visible. Inside the circle, we use the Animate element. This allows us to animate SVG attributes directly. The attribute name equals CX tells the browser we want to animate the horizontal position of the circle. The from equals 20 and to equals 180 values move the circle from the left side all the way to the right side of the SVG. The dir equals 2s means this movement takes 2 seconds. The repeat count equals indefinite makes the animation loop forever. So what we get is a smooth motion where the red dot keeps sliding from left to right, over and over again. This is a great example of how SVG can create animations without any external CSS or JavaScript, using only built-in SVG features. Let's start building a clean SVG logo using a simple shape. We create an SVG element that is 200 by 200 pixels, with a viewbox of 00, 100, 100. This viewbox gives us a flexible coordinate system, so the logo scales perfectly on any screen size. The SVG has a class name logo, which means we can style and animate the entire logo using CSS. Inside the SVG, we draw a circle. The CX equals 50 and psi equals 50. Place the center of the circle right in the middle of the SVG. The R equals 40 gives the circle a large radius, creating a strong, balanced shape. This circle becomes the base of our logo. A clean, simple, and scalable foundation that we can now enhance with colors, strokes, and animations for branding and UI design. Now let's animate the circle in our SVG logo to make it more dynamic and eye-catching. We target the circle inside the .logo class. First, we set fill, none, so the circle is hollow, and only the outline is visible. The stroke color is a vibrant purple, and stroke width is set to 5, making the outline bold and clear. Next, we use stroke-array and stroke-offset, both set to 250, which effectively hides the stroke at the start. This sets it up for a smooth drawing animation. In the animation property, we combine two animations. Draw runs for 2 seconds with an ease effect. It animates stroke-offset from 250 to 0, making the outline appear as if it's being drawn in real time. Spin runs for 6 seconds, linearly and infinitely. It rotates the circle 360 degrees around its center, which is ensured by transform origin, 50% 50%. So the final effect is a circle that is drawn first and then continuously spins, creating a professional, modern animated logo. This technique is perfect for logo reveals, loading animations, or any UI element that needs a polished, animated look. What you learned in Part 5. You now know how to animate rotation, scaling, and movement. Create stroke pulse and motion. Do draw then fill animations. Add hover micro-interactions. Use SVG's built-in animation system. This takes you from basic SVG to real UI motion design. If this SVG animation tutorial helped you understand how to create modern, interactive designs, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to ITMaster for more high-quality web design, UI/UX, and front-end development tutorials. On this channel, you'll learn how to build real-world projects, create professional animations, and turn simple code into beautiful user experiences. New tutorials are coming every week, so make sure to turn on notifications and stay connected with ITMaster. Keep learning, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video.